What are you going to do today to move your life forward? It can be in any area. And the thing is, I always stress to people, the way to live your life is to be committed to evolving to a better version of yourself throughout your life until your last breath. And once you keep committed like that to evolving, and that every day you're always like, what's that little thing I can do today? Even just one positive progressive action step, you're always moving forward, you're always growing, you're always developing, you're always improving, you're always progressing, you're always moving closer to goals, closer to turning your dreams into reality, living your best life, increasing your confidence, increasing your self-esteem, self-image, all these different areas. If you consciously live your life committed to evolving to better version of yourself. So that's why I asked you today, what is that action step you're going to take that's going to help you progress today? So just pick one. It could be around your relationships, it could be around your mind, body, health, it could be around your professional life and aspirations that way, it could be around your finances. Like whatever you want it to be, just take that positive action step. That's all that matters. Just take one even. It'll give you more. Amazing.